This coffee scrub will instantly glow your skin. So if you are suffering from dull skin, this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. And we do DIY skincare products. We do skincare product formulation and all of that. So we are going to start by sterilizing our equipment. Very important. So even if you have, it doesn't matter whether your skin is normal skin, oily, or sensitive, this scrub will work best because we are using sugar as our exfoliant together with our coffee. If you know coffee, you know that it's very good in controlling body oil, in reviving dull skin, in helping with dark spots, in helping with age skin and all of that. Like, coffee is very good ingredient when it comes in terms of skincare, treating your skin at home. So I decided that beaker is a little bit small, so I transferred to a bigger beaker. So our next ingredient is our coffee, Nescafe, anyone you like to call it. This is the second key ingredient, or is a key ingredient though in these formulations. So just feel free, keep watching. The full recipe will be shown shortly, so just keep watching. So, and don't worry, this formulation is quite simple. All the ingredients, you can just find them at home and use them. I'd not complicate the formula like putting organic ingredients. For those of us that don't have those kind of ingredients, you can do this formulation. Like, you can make this scrub and like today and start using. So that is our coffee right there. In our sugar, we're just going to mix that and then we'll move on to the rest of the formulations. So if you want to learn how to formulate skincare products from scratch, we do skincare training. There is a link in our description box where you can chat us. I always believe that if you are into skincare product formulation, or you are into knowing how to take care of your skin, like knowing how to formulate skincare product from scratch will go a long way. Like, you will benefit from that because you have to know how to formulate skincare product from scratch before you jump into kind of pro-mixing or something, because that way you, even if you're going to use it for sale or something business, you will know how to control situations of client skin or even your skin. So training with us will prepare you for all those kind of things, and you'll benefit a lot. So that is our next ingredient right there. This is raw honey. Like, this is very good honey. It's raw honey. You can use manuka or raw honey. Just find a good honey, okay? And our next ingredient is shower gel. This is face and body shower gel, because this scrub will be used for face and body also. So whatever you're using, make sure that it's suitable for your face. Okay, you don't want any clogging of the pores, because like I said earlier, even if you have sensitive skin, even if you have acne prone skin, you can use this scrub. So that is our preservative. It's a German plus, because you need to preserve your scrub, even if it's small, because you are using it and water will be, like, it will be coming in contact with water, so you do have to preserve it. So that is our full recipe right there. Is a 500-gram formulation. I'm doing this for myself. You're welcome. Okay, so as I was saying, the shower gel, right, is for face and body, because Because if you know skincare product formulations well, or you know skincare ingredients, you will know that there are shower gels that are only meant for the body, not for the face. If you use them on the face, you start having some kind of complications. That is why a lot of people will just go to the market and just purchase shower gel, come and start using it, and start having some kind of issues on the face. So there is a video where I formulate this shower gel that I just use right now. I'll leave the link of the video in the description box so that you watch it and know how to make your own creamy shower gel at home. So if you have a shower gel that you are already using at home and you feel it's good, you can totally use it. So this is lemon juice. Is totally optional in this formulation. If you have sensitive skin, you react to lemon juice, you don't have to use it here. So like I said, it's totally optional. I'm using it because I like lemon juice. And don't worry about this thickness. It's not going to stick on your skin because it contains shower gel, and then it's washable. It's washable. It's so good. This scrub is so good. So good. It feels so good. It smells so nice. And then it instantly give you glowy skin. Just try it. Try it and tell me what you think. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Please thumb up. There are tons of videos in my channel where you can learn how to formulate skincare product from scratch, do face mask, take care of your skin at home. Okay, so do well to check it out and watch. I will leave a link on my playlist on the description box so that you can just easy peasy access all the videos. So I'm just packaging. Did you see that? This is super rich scrub. You really do need to try it. Even if you have active pimples on your face, pimples are coming out on your face, you can use this. Just use it, okay? You will thank me forever. This recipe is top notch. So always make sure to use scrub only 3 times a week. Please don't make it everyday thing, okay? It's maximum usage is 3 times a week. So thank you very much for watching my video. See you in my next video.